When you need a device that can handle massive files without slowing down, choosing the best laptops for storage becomes essential. This guide highlights top performers designed for heavy workloads, large libraries, and long-term dependability, perfect for creators, professionals, and power users. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air Laptop. The Apple MacBook Air laptop with the powerful M4 chip brings an impressive blend of speed, portability, and intelligence that suits both professional and personal use. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere, while the M4 chip ensures quick responsiveness whether you're juggling multiple apps, editing videos, or enjoying graphics-heavy entertainment. The integration of Apple Intelligence adds a seamless layer of assistance, helping you write, plan, and navigate tasks with ease while maintaining exceptional privacy. One of the standout features is its long-lasting battery, offering up to 18 hours of use without any drop in performance. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display provides stunning visuals with rich colors and sharp detail, making movies, photos, and reading feel more immersive. Along with the vivid screen, the 12-megapixel center stage camera and high-quality microphone and speaker system ensure you look and sound your best during calls. This laptop is ideal for users who need dependable performance in a sleek, portable package. Number 2. HP Ultrabook Laptop. The HP Ultrabook Laptop is designed with smooth performance and everyday practicality in mind, making it a versatile companion for students, professionals, and casual users. With the support of Copilot AI, tasks become easier and more efficient as the system helps optimize workflow and productivity. The Intel processor provides steady, reliable performance whether you are multitasking, browsing, or running essential programs. Its anti-glare HD display ensures clear visibility even in bright environments, allowing you to work comfortably without distraction. Connectivity is also a strong point of this laptop, featuring multiple ports that give you flexibility when connecting accessories, external displays, or storage devices. The high-quality HD camera with temporal noise reduction helps maintain a clean, smooth video feed by reducing grain and distortion. This makes online meetings or virtual classes clearer and more professional. Overall, the HP Ultrabook offers a balance of performance, convenience, and portability for everyday computing needs. Number 3. Dell Inspiron Core i5 Laptop. The Dell Inspiron Core i5 laptop offers a solid combination of power, usability, and modern features, making it a dependable option for work, school, and entertainment. Its 15.6-inch FHD touchscreen display delivers vivid visuals with an anti-glare finish and narrow borders, creating a more engaging viewing experience while allowing easy navigation through touch. Powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core processor and up to 64 GB of RAM, the laptop handles multitasking with ease, ensuring smooth performance even during demanding tasks. With Wi-Fi 6 and multiple connectivity options, including USB-C and HDMI, users can enjoy fast internet speeds and hassle-free peripheral connections. The design incorporates recycled materials, appealing to environmentally conscious users. This laptop is a well-rounded choice for those seeking capability and value in one device. Number 4. HP 64GB RAM Laptop. The HP 64GB RAM laptop brings strong performance and helpful features for everyday productivity, entertainment, and office work. Powered by an Intel Core i3 processor with 6 cores and 8 threads, it delivers responsive performance for multitasking, streaming, and light editing tasks. Its 15.6-inch HD touchscreen display provides convenient navigation and clear visuals for browsing, working, or watching videos. With up to 64 GB of RAM and 2.5 TB of storage, users have more than enough capacity for large files, programs, and smooth task switching. This laptop includes essential connectivity options such as USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, making it suitable for both home and office setups. Features like the numeric keypad, webcam with privacy shutter, and Windows 11 Pro enhance overall usability and security. The device maintains a sleek, portable profile, offering both function and comfort for daily use. It's a practical option for students, professionals, and anyone needing generous performance and storage. Number 5. Lenovo 128GB eMMC Laptop. The Lenovo 128GB eMMC laptop offers a practical and efficient experience for users who need reliable performance for everyday tasks, such as browsing, studying, or office work. Equipped with 20 GB of RAM, it ensures smooth operation even with multiple applications running at once. The combination of a fast 1 TB SSD and 128 GB eMMC provides quick boot times and ample space for files, documents, and media. Powered by the Celeron N4500 processor, it handles basic tasks effectively without unnecessary power consumption. The laptop includes a useful variety of ports, such as HDMI, USB-C, USB 3.2, and a card reader, offering flexibility for connecting peripherals. Running on Windows 11 Home, it provides a modern interface, along with enhanced performance features. This Lenovo model is an excellent choice for users seeking affordability, practicality, and dependable daily performance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.